Hi friends, we are ready for Unit 3, Week 5, Day 4. This week, do you remember what we've been talking about? How we get our food and where we get it from, right? We've learned about tomatoes, we've learned about chocolate or just chocolate where it comes from a cocoa bean. We've learned about milk and things that are made with milk and where milk comes from and where bread, how we make bread and where wheat comes from and how it's ground up into flour to make things. So we've been learning a lot about different things and how we get our food. All right, let's start with some vocabulary. I have some questions for you today. What is the most delicious food you have tasted? I want you to think about that for a second. What is the most delicious food you have tasted? Delicious means really what? Yummy. It's so good. My favorite food is homemade chicken noodle soup. My mom makes the best homemade chicken noodle soup. It's so delicious. All right. What nutritious foods do you like to eat? Ooh, nutritious. Let's think about that word. What nutritious foods do you like to eat? Nutritious means healthy or good for you. So I like to eat cheese and strawberries and watermelon. Those are all pretty healthy for me. What do you like to eat that's healthy? What makes you feel delighted? Delighted means joy, right? Or happy, right? When I get home and my kids come running to me, oh, that makes me feel so delighted and so happy. It makes me feel good on the inside. Name something that is enormous. What does enormous mean? Enormous means really, really, really big. Really big. I think an elephant is enormous. What do you think is something that's enormous? All right, our last question. What responsibilities do you have in your family? So I'm thinking about the responsibilities. That means what are my jobs, right? Or chores at home. Some of my responsibilities are taking care of my kids, cooking, cleaning, doing the laundry, right? I have a lot of responsibilities. Do you have any responsibilities at home? All right. The next thing that we're going to do is I am going to say some sounds and then you're going to put them together and tell me the word. Are you ready? K. What's the word? Cook. Good job. W. D. What's the word? Wood. Nice. T. What's the word? Put. This one's going to be a trickier one. Are you ready? St. D. St. D. Stud. Very good. Sh. Push. Ol. Full. Sh. K. Shook. K. Crook. Nice work. All right. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to be sounding out some words. We've really been working on O and U, right? And the sounds that they make. So let's look at this first word. Book. O says b. Book. All right, get those lion paws out or tiger paws. Here we go. foot. Cook. Hook. Push. Remember that SH sound gets 2 fingers because it's a diagraph. And SH says shh. Let's tap that one more time. Push. Great job. All right, the last thing that we need to do today is we need to review our high frequency words. Remember, if you're still struggling, make sure you're practicing at home. Play a fun game with your family members. All right, here we go. After, by, done, every, soon, work. Let's go speedy fast. I'm going to mix them up. Are you ready? By, soon, every, after, done, work. Great job. We'll see you next time. Bye.